In the heart of Manipur, a land blazed with diverse cultures and vibrant traditions, there exists a tale of strength, resilience, and a unique force for peace. This is a story of Manipuri women as a peacekeeping force. This Nupi Lan, let's look into the chapter that unveils the extraordinary role of Manipuri women in maintaining peace and harmony. Our journey begins with the echoes of Nupi Lan, where Manipuri women first demonstrated their strength in the face of adversity. It laid the foundation for a legacy of women as a torchbearer of peace. Their strength lies not only in individual achievements but in the solidarity they share with one another. Embedded in Manipuri culture is a profound belief in peace. Women, with their nurturing spirit and innate wisdom, have been the custodians of this ethos for generations. Beyond conflicts, Manipuri women actively contribute to the community building. Their commitment to education, healthcare, and social welfare highlights their pivotal role in fostering a harmonious society. From advocating for social justice to promoting environmental sustainability, they stand at the forefront of positive change. In Manipur, peace is not merely a destination, but a journey led by the resilient hearts of its women. This Nupi Lan, let's celebrate the spirit of Manipuri women, the unsung heroes in the quest for peace. May their stories inspire us all to contribute to a world filled with compassion, understanding, and unity.